so amazing. Oh my God. So we are at Chelsea's house. She's a single mom, juggling 2 careers and starting a new life here in her new home. Let's see what we can do. I'm Adar Kirkham, and I am going to reimagine one room in your home. I'm going to thrift, paint, and repurpose what you got with $1,500 and 24 hours. Let's go.
My name is Chelsea Hood. I moved to Livonia in August of 2021, and it's just me and my son. I am a cosmetologist full-time.
Okay.
And I am a musician.
Oh, of course you are. Single mom, artist, business owner. Why are you redoing the living room?
We need some art.
You need a vibe.
We need a vibe. Can you help me with a vibe?
Girl, call the right person. Talk to me about how you use the space now.
This is where everything goes down. This is where I write. I need to feel artsy in this space.
Okay.
I need to feel like I'm gonna write a hit today.
Oh,
and tomorrow, and the next day.
And what does that for you?
Dim lights. I need to feel relaxed. I need to feel comfortable, and I need color.
So if I painted the whole room in fluorescent pink, you'd be like, yes.
Well,
okay.
Aside from lights and aside from color, I love plants.
Can you keep them alive is the question.
I'll try.
That pause was too
Are
long.
they real? Are they real plants?
Now you have a son.
I do.
Is there any special needs for your son in this space?
He thinks he's an artist, so.
Okay, so we need to make sure both of y'all can come up with some hits in this space.
Make it colorful, make it vibrant. Give me the vibe, give me the mood, give me the inspiration.
Yes, and then you're gonna have a hit song, and then I'm gonna be your background dancer.
Yes, yes.
Chelsea has some really bold ideas. She wants color, she wants plants, she wants music studio vibes, and we are gonna go all the way there. All right, so let's talk vibe. Lounge, lights, plants. Those are the key words that she mentioned to me that we gotta incorporate in this space. Lounge is all gonna be about this couch. It's gonna be about a really fun wall here, maybe a wallpaper that kind of plays into the lounge vibe. I'm thinking this wall blue and then maybe a teal for this wall, but the transition from blue to teal, we can have a little fun with that. And then the LED lights was such a major part of what she spoke about, having lights, lights, lights. We'll get a long console table here. I'll thrift something that can store some more things, but has a more music studio vibe to it. Add a mirror so it can reflect the light that she really spoke about loving so much. This ceiling, we need a really cool chandelier, so I'm gonna come up with a fun concept for the ceiling. And then I'll find a way to incorporate plants in a fun way that ties in music, but I'll make sure she gets her plants for inspiration in here for sure. Color, color, color. So both Chelsea and Raymond's favorite color is blue. So blue was the obvious choice for this first wall. And I picked a blue that kind of had a fluorescent feel to it. I just imagine those LED lights reflecting off of it. I'm gonna go as neat as I can be here in the corner, but I'm not too worried about the other wall because we're gonna wallpaper over it. And you gotta see the wallpaper we picked. It's very bold, it's very Chelsea. Chelsea's gonna go wild and just use this wallpaper. Raymond might not know what the cassettes are, but he's gonna think it's cool. This is the chandelier. I found a bunch of microphones and I wanted to find a fun way to incorporate them in this design. My art team, they came up with this really great structure here, 2 wooden trays attached together. In here, they wrapped it with an LED light. It'll get hooked to the ceiling. And then the fun part begins with the mics after they're sprayed gold. For this web of messes, we're going to literally hang a microphone from each one of these strings, and they'll be literally hanging from the ceiling right above her couch. And this will be kind of the focal point of the room. First up, let's paint the microphones. So roughly this entire chandelier, that includes the base, all the microphones, the wiring, the LED lights, roughly about 150 bucks. So really inexpensive way to make a big impact in a space. I really wanted enough money to go towards this since it was like our key star piece in the room. This is a little outside the box, literally. I am now going to use these boom boxes and turn them into planters. It's a bloom box. We are painting the chandelier in gold. We got some really fun speakers that we're making end tables that we're doing in gold. We are painting the coffee table in gold. You want to get close because you're excited to see the color, but the key is to stay at least 12 inches away. You gotta be patient, and trust me, I do it all of the time. And last but not least, the boom box. I'm gonna do a second round here of touch-ups, and then we're gonna gut out the speakers and make this a planter. But I have a beautiful cut hole for a 4-inch pot to sit right in here and to beautify this thing. Here are the soundproof panels. Love that they come in the 3 different colors. This will tie in all the rest of the colors in the space. The decision that needs to be made now is this too chunky? Is it too large for this wall? Maybe if I just take out the corners. Yeah, perfect. So we'll do all 4. We'll staple these up to the ceiling. They're super lightweight. 1 staple should do the trick. And then we'll cut out this inside, because this is exactly where the light is going to be. Should I not staple? It's gonna rip. So part of working on a budget is using materials you've never used before and figuring it out and being able to pivot along the way. Staples didn't work for us. We had to pivot and kind of rethink our plan. The carpet tape seems to be the way to go. We were able to find a really good console piece. It's white, it matches all the other white furniture in the space. And this will kind of be her area where she can write her music and kind of get in a zone there. So we'll put our speakers there and just adds to the whole glow music studio vibe. And we have to make sure we do something for Raymond. I really want him to feel that he was thought of through this process as well. So we're just about done. We just put all our finishing touches throughout the space. I'm gonna go get Chelsea and see what she thinks.
I'm scared.
Come on, you can do it. You got the paranoid. Isn't it wonderful? Come on in, come on, don't be scared.
I have no words.
Oh my God, it's so amazing. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so happy you're happy. What's your favorite part?
This right here.
This? The chandelier.
You gave me gold mic.
Gold mic. There's no other way. And we painted these and we made this a really fun centerpiece for your space.
On a scale from 1 to 10, it's like 25,000.
We even have a little gift for Raymond there, a little truck.
The only downside to this space is my son is gonna try to take over. And it's not gonna happen, so. This wallpaper though, is so me.
As soon as I saw it, I was like, we have to include this in some kind of way. I am not surprised by her reaction. I'm so happy that she loves it. I'm happy that she feels like it's her, most importantly.
The paneling at the top.
The soundproof paneling.
Yes. This is one of the best music studios I've entered into. I'm in shock, for real. I'm in shock. I'm in shock. And I want to cry some more.
No, crying is good.
My son is gonna love it. I'm never leaving home.
You're not leaving.
I just lost my job.
I'm never leaving.
Oh my God, you definitely took this to the next level.